What's going on, you guys? It is your boy Joneso here. Today, I'm going to react to one of y'all comments for me to react to some Living with Jigsaw. I saw the whole Saw sequels. Some was good, some was sucks, but I'm a huge fan of Saw. And of course, I love the puppet Jigsaw, so I'm going to react to this. So if you want to see this video, it is in the link description down below. I have not seen this. I bet this is going to be so funny. So my reaction starts in 3, 2, 1.
So, what's it like living with Jigsaw?
Not as cool as I thought it would be.
I want to play a game.
Okay, well, I want to take a shower, so...
The toilet has been clogged with dry paper towels and dirt. If you do not fix it in the next 27 seconds, it will overflow, covering your personal electronic devices in filthy toilet water. To reach them, you must walk barefoot across a floor covered in razor blades. The clock is ticking, Gary. Make your choice. The wine in both your glasses has been replaced with the blood of a three-toed sloth.
That was funny. That's funny.
What do you want? Like, what?
You are completely surrounded by mousetraps.
Yo, that's funny. That's funny. How come I never see
Keys
this?
to your car have been force-fed to Bingo. You must retrieve them in the next 5 minutes using any weapon of your choosing from this open drawer, or you will not make it to the office on time. The choice is yours, Gary. Will you take the life of your best friend, or be late to work for the 4th time this week?
Yo, that was freaking funny. How come I never heard about this? This is so freaking funny. So I just want to say thank you to one of y'all comments for me to reacting of some videos that I have not seen before. And good thing I reacted of it. This is hilarious. Gary. Well, that's all my reaction for today. So like, subscribe. Thank you so much. Oh, wait a minute. There's another one? Working with Jigsaw? Oh, I gotta go see this. So, like, subscribe. Thank you so much. And please follow me on Twitter and Instagram. It's on the link below. You just click and follow me, please. Post a comment down below. What do you think of this? You think this is funny? I said it was funny. If you don't think it's funny, then get the fuck out. So, thank you so much and take care. Y'all have a blessed night. 20,000 subscribers. Peace.